Hey guys, welcome back to Kelly's Creations. We are gonna make another gnome using one of Dollar Tree's trees. So I found a Halloween tree at Dollar Tree this year. I was so excited. Oh my goodness. And then we're gonna use some of these pumpkins I got on clearance last year at Dollar General. We're going to use a black sock. And then for the nose, I went into my Easter decor and grabbed some of my Easter eggs. And I'm going to use that orange one right there for his nose. How exciting. Now, on the downside of this project is you're going to want to buy 2 trees. So that part is the nose. That part I'm actually using later as the topper. You'll see. But 2 trees would be ideal. But my Dollar Tree only had 1 left. So I was so excited. This is my first time opening this box and seeing what this tree looks like. And it's so stinking cute. It's black and orange. And I was just super excited. I wish it would have had 2. Like I said, if you want to make this gnome, to make a more fuller gnome, you're gonna wanna get 2 trees and put them together. But you gotta work with what you have, and I had 1. So I'm gonna show you this using 1 tree. So take the tree out, don't attach any of the feet yet. Start pulling the branches down because we're gonna try to make this as fluffy as possible using 1 tree. But I'm gonna link my Christmas gnomes that I made up top. And if you want to check out that video after this one is done, I made 2 gnomes out of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees last year. So, of course, the sock is going to be the gnome hat. And just kind of finagle it. I kind of finagled it a lot. I put it on, I flipped it up to kind of give it a brim. Now I'm going to use the pumpkins as his feet. And if you love the checker plaid, stop here and don't do anything else. It actually is really cool, but I wanted it to kind of match his hat. See, that looks cute too, his feet. So I took my other sock and I cut it in half, and I'm going to just wrap it around those pumpkins, and that's going to be the gnome's feet. Now, of course, when you cut the sock in half, you're going to have 1 half that's closed at the end, but because we cut it, you're going to have 1 half that has 2 openings. So just put your pumpkin in the middle and gather both openings. That one, you only have to gather 1. This one, you got to bring both of them up and gather them up, and you'll see. Now, I'm just going to grab one of my black pipe cleaners and kind of scrunch it, twist it around, cut the pipe cleaner in half. I'm going to use a pipe cleaner to secure the sock to the pumpkin. I fold over. This is the one that has the 2 ends. I fold one end over the other to kind of close it off. But I didn't like how bulky it was, so I come back in and I just cut one of the ends off. It's a little bulky. I notice it more after I do this one. Because this one I can just tie the pipe cleaner around, pull the sock back over everything, and it's perfect. The other one's just a little bulky, but it is hard to see in the video because it's black. So here I cut one end off, and then I take the other end and pull it over. Much better. Now what you're going to want to do is attach it to this. So I pull his beard up and glue these 2 feet together. Don't use so much glue. I go crazy with my glue gun. I just am like zoop, 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 zoop. So much glue. Oh my gosh, way too much. It stuck to my hands, it stuck to my table. Okay, don't do that. Just use a little bit of glue to attach this together. And then you're gonna wanna attach it to the base. Now, see all that glue? Oh my gosh, yours isn't gonna look like this because I'm warning you right now not to do that much glue. So we're going to attach this to the base. I did have so much glue on my feet, it actually stuck to it. But I'm going to go grab another black pipe cleaner, and those socks, you can just feed the pipe cleaner right through the sock, go around the base, feed it through the other side of the sock, and then you're going to kind of want to bring it back, put the 2 pieces together, twist tie them, and then the ends, just keep going around the pole. Just keep wrapping it and wrapping it, wrapping it until you go up the pole. It kind of serves two purposes because it makes that pole black and it attaches it to the pole. So I didn't have to do this with my Christmas one, but for this one, it did not want to stand up. And I know why, because my Christmas one had two trees. Both trees were in the boots, so it stood up. This one, with it only being one tree, I did have to attach the feet to the tree. So there is a gap, as you can see. So I just turned the tree and made sure the feet were in the gap. And then you're not seeing the stand as much. It kind of blends in with the shoes. Okay. I had attached a little bit more hot glue and glued it to the stand. And you can hide the edges with pumpkins, as I'll show you at the end of this video. So once you got the hat on, you got your feet on, just start playing with it. I had to really try to fluff this up because I didn't have Dollar Tree, we all know, are very sparse, and you can just kind of maneuver it and tweak it. I grabbed the other half of that egg and it gave me a more rounded top, and I liked that a lot better. So I put the egg on the top of the tree and I put the sock over that. I liked that look a lot better. So we're going to attach the nose, which is just the bottom half of the egg. And I tried to do this one-handed, which wasn't really working out for me. I burnt the heck out of my thumb here. But yeah, put some hot glue on there, flip it over, and put that nose where you want it. Then you're going to want to come in and add a little more hot glue to the top. Okay. Here I'm just kind of adding hot glue to attach it more to the tree. But then I'm going to come back in, add a little hot glue to the top of this, and bring that hat down so that it covers kind of half of the egg and just the bottom half of the nose is sticking out. It also covers the holes that are in those eggs. Now, you don't have to use an egg. You could use a wood bead, a big, big wood bead for this nose, and paint it orange or whatever color you want. That's up to you. I had some black beads from Dollar Tree, and I thought that looked cool, wrapped around to kind of distinguish the rim of the hat from the rest of the hat. And there you go. He is adorable. Oh my goodness. You got a cute little Halloween tree gnome. I put some pumpkins around him. I put him on a couple books. I put him next to the Halloween sign that I made last week in last week's video. And look how stinking cute this is. Oh my goodness. I love gnomes and I love creating different kinds of gnomes. And I think he's adorable. I hope you guys liked this video. I had so much fun making my little Halloween gnome for you. If you did, check out my Christmas gnomes. I'll have that link. I'll also put it down below in the description box. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell for future notifications, and give me a thumbs up if you like this gnome. It really helps my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and warm, big hugs to my existing subscribers. I love y'all so much. I hope everybody is having a blessed and wonderful week, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye, y'all.